All of them.
That's one.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
No, that's electric.
Okay. But they make the sound.
You got it now, Julius. You got it now.
All together now.
Yeah, baby.
Yay! There's two.
How many was just how many as you can do or what?
And you can do it in a minute.
There we go. Does it matter if you do loops?
No, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, you just got to get under it.
Okay.
Right? Hey, Jim.
Does it matter if you do a loop?
Okay.
Hey, take it easy. Wow. Contest director. Hope your daughter never gets married. You're really going to be screwed.
Oh shit.
See what you've been missing?
You got a fresh battery in your gig?
Prop is definitely not balanced, but oh well. Ooh, that's a fast plane.
Well, I set the precedent. It'd be easy for you guys to top me. You're like the pace car. I'm the pace car. My assassin. Well, if Carmen's here,
Oh.
Chris Orsini's next. He's up.
Five.
Yep, I have it.
10. Chris is up. Let go.
Can I launch it?
You know what I realized? Taking off with the wind.
I think I'm good.
Whoa.
That's a hard way to do it.
Hey, hey-oh, hey-oh, hey-oh.
We got two.
Who's next? Next victim.
Are you going?
I don't know who's next.
Whoever's ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Frames up.
Ray, you mean? Nah, he's just an extra obstacle, right?
Okay, whenever you want.
All right. How long do we get?
1 minute.
Okay.
You're still on the clock.
Ah.
Yeah.
All right.
We got 30 seconds.
Can you just forward it on? I got his number, but I was home name, you know, if you like to get turned. Cool. I think you're a little high.
He's under.
Woohoo!
15 seconds, Slim.
No, that's it. That's it.
And Frank,
Oh man.
When are you ready?
I haven't flown this thing in 3 years. Huh?
How many did you get?
2.5. Huh? Just to get under as many times as you can.
Who's been the fastest?
Who was it? Somebody got 5.